Hello, esto ha been a while. And because esto ha been a while, I'm going to introduce myself. But I'm going to introduce myself while opening this box. If you want to know what is this is used for, stay after the end of the video. As you can see, I think you can see it. That is coffee in there. But what kind of coffee? Because not all coffee are the same, are they? Now, let's see what's inside of this box. If esto is your first time here, I want to welcome you to Tangoing in the kitchen. This is more difficult, you see. Welcome Tangoing in the kitchen. My name is Elizabeth, and today we are making coffee. So, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. If you like learn recipes or other kinds, don't forget to subscribe, because there's a lot more content coming your way. Now, shall we make some coffee? In the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the name of the coffee that I'm going to make. Let's go.